My first impression of the press rings for the B Maxi Pro system from Konex Benninger is super. The press rings von Rothenberger are super easy to handle. They fit well in the hand and are wonderful to apply to the pipe system. With the Rothenberger press rings, I can press my fitting even in very small corners. And they are super easy to handle, because once they are open, they are super easy to place on the fitting with one hand. And I can still hold my press in the other hand. I recommend the Rothenberger press rings because there are many situations where I cannot even get access with the normal press without these rings. This allows me to press my fittings even in the smallest corners and around corners. It makes the job easier and shortens the working time.